Tip number 6, take pictures. Now, I know this seems obvious, but there are situations where you do need to think it through, such as earlier this summer, I took one of my daughters to a water park for the day. We did not take very many pictures. This is partly due because you cannot bring a phone onto water slides. Also, though, it would have been super weird because like everyone there was like 90 to 95% naked. Lots of benign violations at a water park and lots of opportunities for inside jokes. Seriously though, having pictures is an important part of extending the impact of your time together, to be able to remember what you did and reminisce and extend the bond that you formed during that time and those different activities. There's a few more tips in the workbook at the end that I didn't have time to get to. I started filming these too late, but you are in luck. It is today, September 1st, which means the Skipping Adolescence book and Skipping Adolescence workbook are both available on Amazon.com, .ca, .uk, .jp, wherever you are in the world, you can go get it right now. So it's early Thursday morning, September 1st. So Skipping Adolescence, the main book, live, Kindle and paperback, that's working, but the workbook is still in review. It's very unusual. It's a different printer that Amazon uses for these larger formats. So always a learning experience with Amazon. As soon as it does become available, I'll put a link to it in the comments on this reel, and depending on when you're watching this, it may be available now. Okay, now we can jump back into our road trip together. Skipping Adolescence book is available in print and on Kindle, so if you're a Kindle person, you can have it right away. However, the workbook, due to its nature of having a lot of places for you to be able to write stuff in and actually do the work through the book, is only available in print. So if you order it, you'll have to wait a few days for it to arrive. Order yours today, and if you are local to Montreal, you can register to attend the Skipping Adolescence workshop, where we'll be going through the workbook together. It's going to be on Saturday, October 15th in the afternoon, and you can register on the Facebook event, which you can find a link to in the comments on this video. You can find additional details on the Facebook event itself, and hope to see you there.